welcome in to another woolly review, and today we are doing Drops Alaska. Now the cheapest place I found this is on Lind Hobby for £1.70 a skein. That is linked down below, as the rest of the details for this particular wool. And wool, I mean wool, like 100% wool. This is in the shade 63. There's no names, but they do come in, I think it's 32 different colors. So there's a really nice little mix there. It's not just, well, it's got about 6 colors and good luck. I think there's 32 for it. It says to use a 5mm hook or needle. There are 70 meters or 77 yards in here, and this is a 50-gram ball. Now, I don't have a problem with wool, but I know what scratchy wool is, and this isn't. Yes, you can feel that it is wool, but it's not, you know, it's not something that you're gonna I can't even think of the flipping word. It's not scratchy, okay? It's just not scratchy. Okay. So let's get this thing going without breaking things on my desk, preferably. Try that again. Okay. So I am currently somebody who is new to Drops Alaska, but I have used it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did that fairly quickly, no splitting at all. There's no elasticity there. You do have the odd hair. I believe this is untreated wool. Sometimes when people say they're allergic to wool, they're actually allergic to the treatment that the wool is given. So if someone says, I'm allergic to wool, in what sense? Let me know. Because if it's for treated, okay, I'll get you untreated. So I'm going to do a row of singles to begin with. And no, we are not judging my lack of crochet skills, or the fact that I can't get the wool. Oh, I'm going to go to plan C. Okay. Plan C it is. So that's the row of singles done. And now I'm going to go and do a row of half doubles. Only making up a little swatch just to show you how it works up. Oops, yarn over. See, I told you, bad crochet skills. So there we have our row of half doubles. And let's do a row of double. And there in the background you can see hanky stitch markers. Details for the hanky markers are in the description below. And also below that, affiliate links. Ice, Love Crafts, Lion Brand, Mary Maxim, Annie's, Amazon, and Whiskf. Whiskf specialise in bags and aprons, and you can spend a good couple of hours on their site. Like, you get sucked in, but they're so good price. There's the singles. Let's do another row of single. That was the standard double, sorry. Also down below are details of the lady who makes the hooks that I'm using. Jelena over at Cutlery Designs on Etsy. If you give her a design idea, she can put it onto a hook for you. Very talented. And look at the detailing. Absolutely spot on. Sorry, I couldn't resist. So there's my singles again. One more row of half doubles. Oops, that was my fault. And notice that there is no splitting with this. It looks like it would split fairly easily. It really does. But nope. No splitting here. There's bad crochet going on, but there's no splitting. And there's no squeaking either. I always find, well, normally find with wool, it squeaks more often than not. And I don't get any squeaking with this. Let's do one more row. Our last row is going to be doubles. And then we will give it the frog test. Nearly there. And that's done. Okay. So there it is. Pretty good stitch definition, I would say. Absolutely no problems with having that next to my skin. I would say that was fairly hard wearing as well. You know, it's not tough like canvas tough. You can feel that it's going to last. But I personally would be more than happy with that against my skin. Like, no problem. Now let's do a slow frog, shall we? Nice slow frog. And no problems. Let's speed it up then. Because some people rip it out really quick. And wool, let's face it, it's got halo, so it'd catch on itself like it has done just there. There is a hair that it's caught on. but I bet that's easy to get rid of. There we go. So one catch out of the lot. Yes, it's a little bit kinky, kind of to be expected, but let's get this wrapped up. £1.70 is the best price, and it's 70 meters approximately. Oh, banging everything. Oh my gosh, look at me. Okay, so what am I going to say for this? I'm going to say, sit there, Alaska. Thank you. Would I turn my back on it? No, 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 no. Would I be really fed up if that was the last wool in the shop? That's all they had? No. Would I be, ooh, oh, now that's in my top 5. You've only got that one? Okie dokie. Well, heck, I'll take it. No. Would I be, well, that's in my top 3. Yes, let's go for it. No. I'm very, very tempted. The temptation's too much. Okay. It's going to get 5 ladybirds from me. It's not scratchy wool. For 100% wool, that's a pretty good price. It doesn't split. It doesn't scratch. It feels nice. It's pretty yarn, easy to work with. So the Drops Alaska mix, it's getting the full works from me. Personally speaking, I think it's pretty fab. If you've used it, let me know what you thought down below. And if you're tempted to try it, please do. And maybe I will see you next week. If you subscribe down below and put your notification bells on, you'll get the next woolly review on Thursday. Hope this was good for you. Hope it was helpful. And hope I see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.